The Clockmaker's Curse. In a quiet village, there was a clockmaker named Elias who crafted exquisite timepieces. His shop was filled with ticking clocks, each perfectly synchronized, except for one. A tall grandfather clock in the corner always ran 5 minutes fast. Elias never sold it. He said it was for emergencies. One stormy night, a traveler named Thomas stumbled into the shop. Soaked and desperate for shelter, Elias welcomed him, offering tea and a place to rest. As Thomas warmed himself, he noticed the grandfather clock chiming 5 minutes before midnight. Elias froze. "You need to leave now." Thomas laughed. "It's just a clock." Elias grabbed his arm. "It's not. It warns me." Suddenly, all the clocks stopped. Silence fell. Then, from the shadows, a figure emerged, tall, faceless, clocked in back. Elias whispered, "It comes when time breaks." Thomas ran, but the door wouldn't open. The clocks began ticking again, faster and faster, until the sound was deafening. The next morning, the villagers found the shop empty. Elias was gone. So was Thomas. Only the grandfather clock remained ticking 5 minutes fast, and every night since it chimes 5 minutes before someone disappears.